Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about chemistry, 8th class, 9th class, the 10th class. The structure of atom is very important topic. So today I am teaching about structure of atom. The smallest particle of matter is the atom. Atom are minute particles we can't see with our naked eye. We can only see through the electron microscope. In the ancient times, Indian and Greek philosophers were puzzled about the nature of matter. All the matter must be made up of some elements. In ancient times, water, earth, fire, air, sky, these five are fundamental elements called Panchabhutas. Element is a pure substance made up of one kind of atoms and has definite set of characteristics. So in the first, the atom, Maharshi Kannad's view of the atom. Kannad was a great Indian philosopher 600 BC. According to him, matter consists of indestructible means non-destroyable particles called paramanus. Paramanus means param. Param means ultimate and anu means particle. Now we are called atom. Paramanu. Now we are called atom. The paramanu does not exist in the free state. It combines with other paramanus to form a big particle called anu. So in the Maharshi Kannad's views that the two paramanus combine and form the anu. So paramanus means atoms. So atoms combine and form a molecules. There are different types of paramanus and each of them have specific properties. The Greek philosopher Democritus 460 BC to 370 BC called the paramanu as atom. So Democritus says the paramanu as atom, which comes the Greek word atomos means indivisible. Next, scientist Dalton atomic theory. This is mainly simply 5 points. Dalton atomic theory. 1808, John Dalton, an English scientist, described the atom as the smallest particle and exhibiting all the properties of a particular element. According to him, atoms could not be divided into smaller particles. So Dalton atomic theory, first point, matter consists of very small and indivisible particles called atoms which can neither be created nor can be destroyed. Second point, the atoms of an element are alike but they differ from the atoms of other elements. For example, hydrogen element, helium element. So hydrogen element has the same atoms. Suppose helium element has the same atoms alike, but with comparison to hydrogen and helium, there are different atoms in their elements. Atoms of an element combine in small number to form molecules of the element. For example, hydrogen atoms combine and form a hydrogen molecule. Atoms of one element combine with another element in numerical ratio to form the molecules of compounds. So different molecules or different atoms combine to form a chemical combination. Atoms are the smallest units of matter that can part in a chemical reaction. Now, subatomic particles of atoms are fundamental particles in the atom. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, discovered that atoms are divisible. They said atoms are not divisible, but in the 19th century or early 20th centuries discovered that atoms are divisible. They are composed smaller particles. Mainly atom has three main particles. We know that electrons, protons, neutrons. These particles are called fundamental particles or subatomic particles. The fact that an atom is electrically neutral but it can be made to gain positive or negative charge. An atom must contain tiny particles. Each carries either a positive or a negative charge. These positive charges balance each other under ordinary conditions to make an atom electrically neutral. So, we discuss discovery of electrons in the next class. So, thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.